Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini CLI for coding. First, you will need to install the Gemini command line interface tool on your system. After installation, authenticate your CLI with your Google Cloud credentials to ensure secure access. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, allowing you to quickly begin exploring the powerful commands available for code generation and analysis, enhancing your development workflow significantly. Once set up, you can generate code effortlessly. Simply use the Gemini Generate Code command, providing clear instructions on what you need. For example, you can ask for a Python function to sort a list or a JavaScript component for a user interface. Remember to specify the programming language and desired functionality. Always review and refine the generated code to perfectly fit your project's specific requirements and style. Beyond generation, Gemini CLI helps you improve existing code. Utilize Gemini Analyze Code to identify potential issues, bugs, or areas for optimization within your codebase. The tool provides intelligent suggestions for improving code quality, efficiency, and maintainability. Applying these refactoring recommendations can significantly enhance your project's performance and reduce technical debt, making your code cleaner and more robust. Integrating Gemini CLI into your daily workflow can dramatically boost productivity. You can incorporate these powerful commands into your existing development scripts, automating repetitive coding tasks like boilerplate generation or code reviews. By leveraging Gemini's AI-powered assistance, you free up valuable time, allowing you to focus on more complex problem-solving and innovative development, ultimately streamlining your entire coding process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.